Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tkinter is a popular Python library for building graphical user interfaces, GUIs. There are three main layout methods in tkinter: pack, grid, and place. Each method has its own advantages and use cases. In this tutorial, we will explore how to combine these layout methods effectively to create complex and responsive GUIs. ####1 Pack method. The pack method is a simple layout method that arranges widgets in a vertically or horizontally stacked manner. It is easy to use but can be limited in complex layouts. ###2 Grid method. The grid method allows you to create a grid-like layout where widgets are placed in rows and columns. It offers more flexibility compared to the pack method and is suitable for complex layouts. ###3 Place method. The place method allows you to specify the exact position of widgets using coordinates. It provides full control over the widget placement but can be cumbersome for complex layouts. ###combining layout methods. You can combine these layout methods within the same GUI to create more sophisticated layouts. For example, you can use pack for one section, grid for another, and place for specific widgets that need precise positioning. By combining pack, grid, and place methods strategically, you can create dynamic and responsive GUI layouts in tkinter. Experiment with different combinations to achieve the desired look and functionality for your application.